LTC is no longer boring. Why is Litecoin performing so well? We're going to break it down in this video. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, we're here every single day bringing you up to speed on everything in the cryptocurrency market. Litecoin recently just surpassed $70, which is a far cry from its all-time high, but it's performing extremely well compared to other altcoins out there, as Litecoin, a true OG in the space, has been around since 2011. It's often referred as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, if you will, right? Litecoin pushing toward the top 10, ranked number 13 right now. Why is it performing so well? There's probably a few reasons. We're going to mention some of those in this video. And again, right now up about 13% in the last 24 hours. Market cap over $5 billion. Right now, look at the volume here in the last 24 hours. That's up about 50%. A lot of that volume, too, is buy pressure. Look at here in the last one day. Came from all the way down here about $61, pushed all the way up to $70 here in the last 24 hours. There's the 7-day outlook for Litecoin. Take a look at the 1 month and 3 month. Looks pretty solid. I mean, especially when you consider what has happened here in the cryptocurrency market. Go back into October. We were trading at about $49 in mid-October here for Litecoin, now all the way back up to $70. And again, a few reasons. We're going to break them down here. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. So this article was written yesterday, which is fascinating. Litecoin shows bullish signs as price eyes $70. Will the bulls push to this region? Well, we have the answer today. The answer is yes, they have. And again, number of reasons why, what's going on here. But Litecoin has a halving like Bitcoin does, and that is supposed to be happening in August 2023 as Litecoin diverged from the broader crypto market downtrend in the months leading up to its halving here coming up in late August of next year. Litecoin has emerged as one of the rare winners in the ongoing cryptocurrency market meltdown, of course, proliferated by FTX and the collapse of that centralized exchange. The 2011-born altcoin rallied nearly 16% month to date to reach 62.75. This article was written yesterday. Of course, we're a little bit higher than that now, up near $70. But this move started early this morning, outperforming its top rivals, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And some fascinating news as it relates to Litecoin and Ethereum. We're going to jump into this article here. Boring Litecoin, quote unquote boring, makes play for the top 10 amid the market meltdown. And it is kind of boring from an investor standpoint. It's been around again since 2011, but people often forget about Litecoin. And I think it's times like these in a bear market where people kind of slowly but surely go back to some of the OGs in the space, some of the cryptos that have been around forever, that have withstood the test of time, that have went through a number of bear markets, and Litecoin has certainly done that. Again, released back in October 2011, it is one of the cryptocurrencies that burst on the scene with Bitcoin way back when. While the likes of Namecoin, Feathercoin, and Peercoin, to name a few, have faded into abyss, Litecoin has stuck around. This longevity has not gone unnoticed, as well as LTC's resurgence is likely a symptom of crypto users simply looking for stability during this chaotic market. The managing director of the Litecoin Foundation, Alan Austin, thinks so. Last week, he tweeted, "To those over the years who have called Litecoin too boring, have you guys had enough excitement yet?" Meaning, we're still here, even though all the craziness is happening with a lot of the cryptocurrencies out there and the altcoins attached to FTX. Similarly, as the SEC securities controversy continues to play out and how crypto will be regulated in the United States, Bitcoin maximalist Michael Saylor recently stated that Litecoin is likely going to be deemed a commodity with Bitcoin, which is fascinating. It says, he says, someone might file an application to get Litecoin designated as a digital commodity. And I know he feels the same about Bitcoin. Now, speaking of Litecoin wallets, LTC wallets are on track to outnumber Ethereum wallets. No, that's not a typo. Think about that. On-chain data shows the number of Litecoin wallet addresses continues to grow steadily here in 2022 throughout this bear market. At the start of the year, the number was approximately 117 million wallets. Currently, there are around 162 million Litecoin wallets. Meanwhile, the number of Ethereum wallets at the start of 2022 was roughly 140 million wallets. Currently, the figure is 166 million. So Ethereum still has more wallets than Litecoin right now by about 4 million. But if this trend that we've seen in 2022 continues, the number of Litecoin wallets will exceed Ethereum wallets by the end of the year. And that's interesting in and of itself. So, yes, I am going to be looking at Litecoin a little bit closer. That's for sure. And I think you should too. Do your own research, check it out. But it is performing extremely well. Wanted to bring you up to speed on all this news surrounding Litecoin. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Appreciate you guys stopping in, and we'll talk in the next video.